Hello and welcome to the trade setup. Today we are looking at United Health, and in this video we are only covering the short time frame. The large time frame remains completely unchanged, meaning we are still tracking mainly the green scenario. And if you want to actually have a look at that, you can check any of the previous videos. I think I covered the large time frame in most, if not all, of the previous videos, and all of that still applies overall. So we are still thinking if we finish the fourth wave here or if we are in the white or orange scenario. So white and orange scenario means more downside. The green scenario complete here means direct upside to new all-time highs. But overall we need to track that level by level, and I want to start doing that by bringing this screenshot here. And after the previous video, I made a community post pointing that an ideal target here that I'm looking at would be between $281 to $282 to complete this third wave. And I also pointed out these trend lines that I added, and a break above them would be a first indication that we may have started the fourth wave here. And we did after another push to the ideal target, but we didn't actually quite get to the resistance zone, and I even need to update it now. And the other idea was that a break above the 50% retracement resistance would be a first indication that we may not even get a fourth wave here and the fifth to complete the C wave to the downside. And then we would be in a more complex correction, maybe here in a WXY, where in the Y wave we would only need 3 waves in A, B, C to complete the entire correction. So let me remove this and let me say it clearly. This correction could be complete. We could still see lower with the fourth and the fifth wave to the downside, but that is not guaranteed, that is not necessary. We fulfilled minimum requirements, we did reach the support zone, and we are even still now in the support zone, so we can still look for an entry and expect a reaction to the upside. And an ideal target for the C wave to the upside that would complete the wave 4 would be around $366. We are at the moment around 285, and I just don't know if I really have anything else to add about this. We did in fact reach to the updated fourth wave support zone, resistance zone, the first level. We did find a reaction, and overall the idea is that we may still go lower, but don't count on that to be a guarantee. We need to focus on trading the levels, not the count, and the levels say that we did reach the support zone and we can expect a reaction to the upside at any time. This correction could be complete, to reiterate, and overall the support zone extends down to $263. So these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. I'll continue to make posts, especially when there's only slight updates I may want to add after following a video that I just did, and maybe the chart has some new updates. So you may find that useful. And let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.